Good morning. I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. I'm here with a patient who came to us with chronic, debilitating lower back pain. He suffered with back pain for years. I think it was over 10 years. Is that correct?
Yes.
When he first came to us, we identified discogenic back pain. We fixed those discs for him about a month ago. He contacted me and said, I'm having pain in my buttock now, and we diagnosed him with piriformis muscle syndrome, and he had his piriformis release done at Deuk Spine Institute. How do you feel today after your piriformis release?
Excellent.
You still have pain in your buttock?
No.
Gone.
Gone.
Are you on pain medication that we gave you?
Just the muscle relaxers.
Do you need them?
No,
No.
not really.
You can stop taking them.
Yeah, I can stop taking them.
But you can tell the piriformis pain is gone.
Yes.
When did you notice the piriformis pain was gone?
Right after I had the surgery.
Right after the surgery was
Yes.
gone. Tell me, how was life for you before you had your back fixed here at Deuk Spine Institute?
Well, I was suffering. I was having, I've been going to a doctor up in Michigan, and I was getting spine injections. They were helping for a while, but it got to the point where they really weren't doing any good anymore. That's why I got a hold of Dr. Deuk. He was recommended by a neighbor up in Titusville. I got a hold of him actually before I even came to Florida, and we did most of the conversations online when he looked at my MRI and decided what the problem was, and we set up the time to do the surgery when I came down.
Now, you said you're from Michigan. Michigan has a lot of doctors up there. How come none of them could fix your back?
What they wanted to do is the next step after my injections was to do the surgery where they actually cut into your vertebrae and splice your vertebrae together, fuse them, I guess they call it. And that was the next thing they wanted to do. Well, both of my daughters are nurses, and both of them said, you really don't want to go through that type of surgery. And that's how I found out about Dr. Deuk. And he offered an alternative to that type of surgery.
The laser
spine surgery as an alternative, yes.
Yeah. What's life going to be like for you now that you've had your back fixed?
Well, I'm going to get back to golf again, which I didn't do any at all this year because I couldn't. So I'll be back to golfing and back to some of the outside activities that I used to do. Back to the gym, working out at the gym. So back to life like it was before I start to have back pain.
Is there anything you want to say in wrapping up this interview?
Everything went fine. I'm doing great. I like the idea of the non-invasive back surgery, rather than cutting up your back and your spine. It's really minimum invasion. And I want to thank Dr. Deuk for what he did.
You're welcome.